Hello all, welcome and thanks for joining. Here I am presenting demo of MyStay mobile application which can be used to quickly plan a trip by booking your hotels in your destination location, cab booking facility and activities happening around your destination effectively. In this demo, we will be showing registration and sign-in, hotel search facility, hotel booking facility, cab search and booking facility, activities happening around your destination and its booking. Apart from this, we will also be covering various user benefits of this mobile application in terms of dynamic interface, performance, security, business intelligence, technology, etc. So let us start with the mobile application tool. The first is sign up. User can sign up very easily. Member will need to register themselves using their email address or their social media accounts such as Facebook, Twitter, Google+. After this registration, member will receive welcome emails on their registered email ID. The next is sign in. Sign in very quick and hassle-free. Let us sign in using existing ID and password. This information of users is highly secured as we develop our app using coding standards. We can also provide 2FA authentication login where the user will need to provide an additional information about simple passwords such as OTP or Google Authenticator. Here is the intelligent home screen of MyStay app which showcase dynamic user interface. You can see there is a search along with various filter options. There are few other options which are part of the home screen such as rent a car facility, trip activities, hotels near your search location and other promotions running for the day. Security is a very crucial aspect of any mobile application. You can see that a lot of data is being fetched from the server and displayed on the screen. Throughout the application, we have ensured that business critical data is saved in the database in an encrypted format to prevent any malicious manipulation of data. We use industry compliant encryption decryption logic to pass or receive data from the API. This ensures that the data communication is secure. Additionally, SSL can also be implemented for the API to ensure the communication channel is also secure. Access to the web server is allowed only to the authorized persons. Now let us check each features one by one in detail. There is an advanced search and filter options. User can type the location to book the hotels or select one from the auto suggestion list. User can also select check-in date and check-out date along with the number of rooms required, number of adults and children. User then click on search button to view search results with essential hotel information along with the available discount and offers running. This app is efficient for storing and showcasing n number of locations, hotels and their information. Once the user clicks on the search button, data are being fetched within microseconds, which showcase the performance of this application. Now let's click on one of the hotels for detailed features. The user can check the images of the hotel. It will also show number of rooms left for booking, its pricing, ratings, reviews, address on Google Map. User can also mark the hotel as his favorite and share the hotel links through his social media accounts. When the user scrolls down, he will see the facilities which are available in the room such as pool, Wi-Fi, beach, etc. He can also see the types of rooms which are available in the hotel such as the deluxe room, Grand Deluxe room. He will see the room details like number of beds, information such as parking, internet, etc. Once the user clicks on book button, it will preview all the details filled by him which can be edited. Next is payment and it will ask for payment method. The application will be integrated with third-party payment gateway API. Here, the complete payment process is highly secure and fast. We use token-based authentication to ensure only valid requests hit the API. The user will fill all the details and click on checkout. His booking will be done and he will get a notification for the same. Let us check the features of other activities which can be used by the user. Rent a car feature is available using which a user can book a cab for any location. The user will enter pickup and drop off location, select the time, date, type of car for which he wants to hire the cab, clicks on search button. Based on his inputs, he will get the listing of all the available cabs along with the price. The user will select a car from the listing and he will get all the details such as name of the car, number of passenger, daily charges, etc. He can reserve the car by making the payment. Available payment modes are cash, online payment using third-party payment gateway APIs such as CC Avenue, PayPal, Paytm, etc. that can be integrated for online payment. Once all the information is passed and payment is processed, the user will get the notification of cab booking. There is another beauty of this application in terms of business intelligence. Based on users' input, the system will analyze the data and provide various reports like most popular hotels, highest booked hotels, highest booked cabs, most searched location and hotels, etc. All such reports will help the business owner to channelize his business to gain more revenues. Now, let's check another activity called as trip activities. Once user clicks on trip activity, he will enter the location, select the date and clicks on search. He will get the list of all the activities happening around the searched location. He will be able to see the price, number of hours required to complete the activity and offers running over there. When the user clicks on any one of the activity, he will see the highlighted description and location. He will need to book the activity in which application will ask the user to select the number of adults and children performing the activity based on which system will give the total amount to be paid. Again, we will call third-party payment gateway and data will be passed. His booking will be done and the user will get the notification. Finally, let us talk about the technology which we have used to build this application. Today, more and more apps are being developed using cross-platform app development approach instead of conventional native app development approach, as they offer many amazing benefits such as cost-effective solutions, rapid app development and faster to market delivery by not compromising on the look and feel or performance of the app. Keeping these benefits in mind, we have developed our MyStay app using a popular cross-platform app development framework. The most important advantage of this approach is that we need to develop once and can be deployed for different platforms such as Android and iOS. Thanks for your valuable time. Hope you like this demo. To mobilize your business, contact us today. Thank you.